Interesting. A box came. The knife is out. Shall we see what's inside? Albino. Four-spot albino. Albino. That's the four-spot albino, sorry. So I gotta get these guys set up. There's a four-spot albino, 3 albinos, and a, wait a minute, let me get this one open. Strawberry pineapple, they call it. Very cool. They still got their little tails, so they won't be eating much at first. Take some time. But anyway, we'll be back. What a way to start the vlog off, huh, guys?
Strawberry.
Strawberry pineapple. And you got his tub set up. You got his water.
Oh, so it's a strawberry upside down pineapple cake?
Yeah, you can turn the water off. I don't think we need it. It's not running, right? Yeah. Is it? No. Good. Good.
Is it gonna come out? Oh, it's coming. There it is.
There it is. Put the lid on it.
No. Should we save this one for Mom?
Yeah, that looks the greenest one. Here, wait a minute. Make sure it lid's on there tight. It's not coming off.
You know, there's still some of this coconut substrate over
Oh,
here.
shoot.
I know.
That one's for Mom. This one's for Mom, right?
Yeah. All right, put that one over there. You gotta put the water in it first.
Oh, shoot. That was
Set it this way. No. There you go.
Let me step out of the way. Good. You can get over there, hon.
Do I need to get...
You want to do your green one?
So what are you doing?
All right, let me move this stuff out of your way completely.
I take it we're digging a hole?
To put the water in, yeah.
In the corner.
Well, I am in the corner, ain't I? Is that how you do it? Just like that?
That one closest to you is yours.
And there's absolutely no chlorine in this water because we used dechlorinated water, even on the substrate.
Oh. Rinse that out. I just shoved my dirty fingers in that.
Oh,
Here you go.
It's a hippity hop.
That cup there is dechlorinated water.
This blue stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And this is your guy.
That's Crony.
He was the greenest one we decided on.
Oh, you decided on that?
That's the greenest one.
I holding a frog. Yes, I got gloves on. I just got my nails done. I don't want to ruin them already. I holding
Very cool.
a frog. And that's only 2 fingers, people.
Yeah, they're kind of small.
Don't let him jump.
Yeah, he'd jump right out.
Well, if he jumps, he's gonna jump off my fingers.
There you go.
Oh shit, that was a
See? Oh, look, you can still see his little nubby tail
Yeah,
right
yeah.
there, right there. I just put my fingers in there and scooped them up. Why'd you jump?
Because Because he jumped.
Do we have one more? We're missing a container. Oh, it's back here.
We need a lid. I mean, not a lid.
It's right there.
Oh, is it? Are we using this one?
Yeah.
Okay, can you give me... Did you want to do one, Dad?
No, I'll let you guys do it. You guys are looking like you're having fun, so.
Emma, I think we just took over Dad's gift.
No, that's okay. Then we got the squirt bottle that I'm going to spray these guys with to
Why you jump?
I know. I was trying to hold them. So how do you know if it's a male frog or a female frog?
when they get bigger. If it's a male frog, the front arms
Yeah.
where the thumb comes out gets a black pad on it or a dark brown pad.
You don't need this stuff, right?
No.
'Cause
Well, I
you-
was going to save the little lid, the deli cups if I could.
Oh, you wanted to?
Yeah, I'll clean them all out later.
Okay.
Trash cans over there if you just want to throw stuff in the
But
trash.
you want to save these lids?
He wants to save all of it.
All of it?
Yeah, just
Yeah,
just
he'll-
set it.
he'll take
I'll
care of
take
it.
care of it later. Show everybody your nails, hon. Woohoo, they're beautiful. Oh, Emma, I love yours too. Mommy daughter day today. All right, guys. Peace out. You got anything to say other than that? Peace.
Dinner plate.
Dinner plate. That's how big.
What did you say?
Dinner plate. That's all. I told you they're going to get as big as dinner plate.
Today, hon.
Well, we have 2 moms in labor. And we have at least...
5 other ones over there.
Okay.
8 other ones having, and then there's still some over here having some. Oh yeah. Has everybody got water hooked up to their system? No, they do not. This one here does not have its water on. There isn't nobody in this one. You got an empty one up here, right?
Yeah.
That's why there's no water in there. Other than that, we're looking good, huh?
Yeah, we got a... We're gonna do...
Producing several hundred rats a week. We're
Look
moving.
at these little itty bitty ones. I mean, look at this one.
We have a new form of rat. It's a
Look how little that is.
It's a little rat.
And it's about to open its eyes.
Yeah, alright, well. That'll make a good pet to somebody.
That's about it.
Well, that California king snake would love to have it as a pet. Oh, look here, we got more babies over there.
You know, we just got rid of a crap load. Look at all this.
Oh yeah, we got a bunch more down here.
Look at those.
Huh. And we just sold like 50.
Yeah, I know. And those guys, I always dump food in here with them, just in case they can't eat.
This one here, these ones here, need a couple little bit of food on them, the bottom ones. And oh, they can eat some. Alright guys, we'll be back today. Just doing my rounds. Just doing some rounds. That girl's back there. Let's see here. Oh, this girl's right here. This Max Snow. Max Super Snow, I should say. That girl's right there. Yeah, no eggs today. I already looked for eggs earlier. But I always double check anyway at nighttime to make sure everybody's fine before I close it up. Yeah. Let me check out my breeding pair. They keep locking up and unlocking to see if they're still locked. Hold on a minute. Let me... Oh, she's laying inverted. I don't know. Is that a good sign, guys? I may have to take him out of there now, huh? I'll get him in a few minutes. Is that a good sign, people, or what? I surely hope so. Because I see swelling all along there. Alright. We're going to leave that go. Let me go over and check everything over here. We're going to go check in on the Pac-Man frogs. See how they are doing. Alright guys, hold on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to explain to you every one of these frogs that I have. That I got today. This one is a strawberry pineapple Pac-Man frog. Okay. Moving on. This one is just a normal albino. This one is a regular albino. These guys are so cool. This one is the four-spot patternless. Alright, hold on, I'm going to go check another one here. This one here, just a normal albino again. Alright guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, share the love, tell everybody about my channel, and I'll keep you guys posted on everything as it goes. The frogs, I'll keep you posted on the frogs. The eggs, I'll keep you guys posted on everything. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to be off that. Alright guys, peace.